Hello, my dear students. This is Miss Heba Sharif is speaking to you, and this is the last video for final revision sheet. So please open your math final revision sheet, page 9. Okay, find the perimeter and the area of the following. Before answer these questions, we must remember the rules of the perimeter and the area of rectangle and square. Let's start by the rules of the area. The area of rectangle equal length by width, and the area of a square equal side by side or side by itself, because the square in any square all sides are equal. What about the perimeter? The perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width by 2, and the perimeter of a square equal side by 4. Okay, let's start to answer the first shape together. Look at the shape and write with me, please. It's a rectangle, and he asked me about the area and the perimeter. What is the area of rectangle? The rule is that the area of rectangle equal length by width. What about length and width here? Look at the shape, they are 2 and 4. So I will write 2 by 4 or 4 by 2 equal 8. You will sing the song of the table and it will be 8. What about the perimeter? The perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width by 2. Length plus width by 2. What is the length and width here? They are 2 and 4. So between brackets I will write 2 plus 4 by 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 6 by 2 equal 12. Okay. Look at the second shape. It's a square. In any square, all sides are equal. So this square, the side equals 3 centimeter. Okay, first I will answer the area. What is the area of a square? The area of a square equals side by side or side by itself. So it will be 3 by 3. From table 3, 3 by 3 equal 9. Okay, what about the perimeter? The perimeter of a square equals side by 4, side by 4. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4 from table 3 or from table 4, the answer will be 12. So please you must keep the rules of the square and rectangle. Okay? Now, use the distributive property of multiplication to answer the following question. Okay, when I see distributive property, I will choose a number to break it. I will choose a number to break it. So here, I will choose 6 to break it. I will break 6 to 3 and 3. So we will write 3 and 3. What about the second number? The second number here is 3. I will write it as it is. I will write 3 as it is. So in the second space, I will write 3 and 3. Okay? Use the multiplication table to answer. 3 by 3 equals 3, 6, 9. So the answer will be 9. Again, 3 by 3 equal 9. Okay, if you do here 9 plus 9, it will give you 18. And if you do 6 by 3, it will give you 18. So, I will break 6 by 3 to be 3 by 3 plus 3 by 3. So, I will choose 6 to break it. Here I choose 6. You can choose any number. You can choose 3 to break it to 2 and 1. Or you can choose 6 to break it to 2 and 4. Okay, revise this lesson from your booklet before answer this page, please. Okay? Now please turn the page, open your final revision sheet, page 10. The first question here is use more than one strategy to answer the following questions. Number 1, 572 minus 340. I will use here two strategies. The first one, which is the place value picture, and the second one, our normal strategy. So, how can I represent 572 by the place value picture? The hundreds, I will draw big squares, and the tens, we will draw sticks or lines, and the ones, we will draw it as small circles. So we will start with 500. I will draw 5 squares. Okay, what about 7 in tens? I will draw 7 sticks or 7 lines. Okay, what about 2 in ones? I will draw it small circles. I will draw 2 small circles, and I will start to answer. I represent here the big number only. In subtraction, we will represent the big number only. Okay, I will start to answer. 2 minus 0 equal what? Equal, of course, 2. So I will not cancel any circle, and I will write 2. Okay, 7 minus 4, we will cancel from these 7 sticks 4 only, and the remainder will be 3. So the answer will be 3, and if you use our normal way, 7 minus 4, it will give you 3. 5 minus 3, from the 5 squares, I will cancel 3. So cancel 3, the remainder will be what? The remainder will be 2. So if you do 5 minus 3 by our normal way, it will give you 2. So the answer will be 232. Again, in subtraction, we will draw the big number only, and we will start to cancel from ones and from tens and from hundreds as the smaller number asked me. Okay? Number 2, 132 plus 220. Okay, in addition, we will draw the two numbers. So I will draw the first number, 132. The hundreds, we will represent it as a big square. So one big square, 3 sticks as 3 in tens, and 2 in ones, we will draw it as 2 small circles. And we will draw the other number, 220. I will draw 2 in hundreds as 2 squares, 2 big squares, and 2 in tens, we will draw it 2 sticks, and 0 in ones, we didn't draw any circles here. And I will do addition. 2 plus 0 equal what? They are here 2 circles, so I will not add any circles to them, so I will write 2. And what about the sticks? I have 3 sticks and 2 sticks, they are 5. And if you do 3 plus 2, it will give you 5. 1 plus 2, they are 1 square here and another 2 squares. So 1 plus 2 equal 3. Okay? So in addition, we will draw the two numbers. In subtraction, we only draw the big number and cancel from it. In addition, we will draw the two numbers and count the answers together. The second question here is to find the result. Number 1, 67,081 plus 10,070. We must put the names of the houses first. Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 8 plus 7. If you put 8 in your mind, 7 on your hand, so the answer will be 15. Can I write here 15? Of course I can. I will write 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 0 equal 1, and again plus 0 equal 1. 7 plus 0 equal 7, and 6 plus 1 equal 7. Number 2, 56,321. I will start from ones. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 2 plus 2 equal 4. And 3 plus 7. 7 in your mind, 3 on your hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I write here 10? Of course I can't. I will write 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And the last digit here is 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5768 minus 3210. We will start from ones. 8 minus 0, any number minus 0 equals the same number. 6 minus 1, put 1 on your mind, close your hand after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 5. 7 minus 2, put 2 in your mind, close your hand after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be 5. And 5 minus 3 after 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 2. The last question is 9860 minus 2290. 0 minus 9. Can I do here 0 minus 9? Bigger in the top, no need to stop. Bigger in the floor, go to the next door. So 0 will go to 6. And ask him, can I borrow 1 from you? Yes. So 0 will be 10 and 6 will be 5. 10 minus 9, it will give me 1, and 5 minus 1 equal 4. 8 minus 2 equal 6. And 9 minus 2 equal 7. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.